Okay, for station number 4, we are going to be looking at chocolate milk recipes and doing a sorting activity to practice this skill. So first, you're going to go to Google Classroom and open this Google Slides activity. Okay, now I'm showing you the video, and I want you to show your work for each question under that person's name. So I'm doing Holly as an example for you, so you can follow right along with me. Now, I know it's really hard to see on here, but you should be able to easily see on your Chromebook screen. So each of the students below is making a glass of chocolate milk. However, each student makes theirs a little differently. Calculate the unit rate for each student. Fill in the answer choices on the right and drag it to the correct spot. Not all the answers will be used. When you found all the unit rates, drag the cups to the bottom to put them in order from weakest to strongest chocolate taste. Okay, so for example, Holly is the first one that we are going to do. Now, her recipe calls for 3.5 tablespoons of chocolate sauce to 2 cups of milk. When we are finding the unit rate, we want to know how much chocolate sauce per 1 cup of milk for each of them. You're trying to figure out chocolate sauce per 1 cup of milk. So you will take the amount of chocolate sauce given. So I'm going to add a little note here. So 3.5 is chocolate sauce. I'm just going to put CS for chocolate sauce given. And then this 2 is the amount of milk that's given in the problem. So you want to divide the amount of chocolate sauce by the amount of milk that you are given. Now, for some of these problems, you will have mixed numbers. You are going to want to convert those to improper fractions before working it out. So, just a reminder, when you are converting a mixed number to an improper fraction, you will multiply the denominator by the whole number. So I'm going to put mult, right? 2 times 3 is 6, and then you will add the numerator to that. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So that's how we got 7, and you keep the denominator the same. Okay, so this translates to 7 over 2. All right, and then when dividing with fractions, we do keep, change division to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction. Now, 2 is a whole number, but as a fraction, it would be 2 over 1. So when we flip it, it would become 1 over 2. So we keep, change, flip. Okay, then you can multiply straight across. So 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4. So we get an answer of 7/4. However, that answer is not in the pink boxes over here. So that means we need to convert that back to a mixed number. How we do that is 4 goes into 7 one whole time, and then we would have 3/4 left over. So our final answer for Holly would be 1 3/4, and you will click and drag that answer. So we see that here. So I would click and drag this answer to Holly's box. Okay, use that strategy and attempt to solve the other 7. And then whenever you are done thinking about what you know about making chocolate milk, you are going to try to put these in order from the weakest or the most bland chocolate milk to the most chocolatey chocolate milk based on the unit rates that you determine. If you have any questions, wait for me to come to your station and then you can ask.